Today's date is Sunday, November the 11th, and it is currently around 5 o'clock p.m. Probably about 67, 68 degrees, somewhere in there, and overcast skies today with a what is still a tropical storm approaching, tropical storm Nicole. So the water is a little choppy. I've seen it much worse than this, but it is a little choppy. We'll notice that a little more once we get on the pier. But pretty good day all in all. Not too windy, not too cold. That's pretty good for a November day here. I'll take it. So if you've never eaten at the restaurant here on the pier called FishHeads, I highly recommend it. If you're ever in the area, if you're looking for a good place to eat, they have a nice bar too. I don't know any of the people that work here personally. It's just my opinion about it. I've always had a good experience here. We're going to see if they're charging now. Last time I was here, they did not charge you to walk, so find out. So they did not charge a fee to walk. So that remains the same as before. It's a little surprising, but very good. Alright, I think that's going to do it for this video. Again, if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Maybe subscribe if you want. And be sure to tune in for the next one. As always, thanks for watching.